What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Nick, and this is the place to be for everything landscape photography. Today, I am talking about something that all photographers should know. Don't lose your photos. Ever. Don't do it. Don't lose them. That's what we're talking about today. Let's roll that intro. Alright guys, how was your weekend so far? You're probably seeing this on Sunday, so how was your weekend so far? Let me know in the comments below. Did you take any killer photos? Drop your Instagram handles in the comments. I'd love to check them out. Absolutely. So today we are talking about something that all photographers should know. Whether you're a portrait photographer, a wedding photographer, a landscape photographer, any type of photographer, don't lose your photos. I'm going to tell you my method of how to make sure your photos are safe and secure. But before we jump into that, if you can go down below, you know what to do. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification. It'll be greatly appreciated. It'll help my channel out a ton. And to the subscribers that I have already, thank you. Also, go down below, follow me on social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all that good stuff. Links are in the description below. Okay, let's jump into this. Have you guys heard the rule of 3? Basically, if you don't have 3 backups of your photo shoot, it doesn't exist. That is what I follow. So, you're at your photo location. Say it's at Jasper, at Pyramid Lake. You're taking some killer photos. You know that your card is almost full because you're just snapping away. Snap, 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 snap. Where does your card go? You want to be putting it in some flimsy thing like this, or no? These flimsy little SD card holders, they don't protect through anything. It's mesh right here. You think water will get into this? Probably. Dirt particles? Probably. You step on it by accident? Goodbye, SD card. You want something like this. Hard shell. Waterproof. Nothing's getting in there. You have room for 7 full SD cards, plus an array of micro SDs. And this even comes with an SD card reader if you're in a pinch. Hard case. You step on this, it's not going to break. Toss it in the water. It's waterproof. Look at that nice blue water seal around there. That's step 1. Get yourself an SD card holder. Something like this. It'll keep your photos super safe. No dirt, no water. Like I said, you step on this. I've stepped on this, I think, a couple times already, and it still looks brand new. This case holder is from JJC. I'll link this in the description below. You guys can pick it up. I think it was only 30 bucks or something like that. All of us photographers should have something like this. It's number 1. Number 2. Now that your SD cards are all nice and safe in that hard shell case, you bring it home, offload it to your computer. Make a copy on your internal drive. Next step, put it on an external drive, something similar to this, or put it on a NAS like we have, something off of your computer, but you still have access to it. Also, upload it to some sort of off-site backup, whether that be a NAS system at your parents' house, your grandparents' house, or even cloud storage, whatever that may be. You never know what's going to happen. I've heard a whole bunch of stories where cards go missing, people stealing cards, especially at weddings. What? Their hard drive fails on their computer, their external drive fails, their NAS fails. All of these considerations to think about basically is to mitigate lost photos. You're the one who went out and spent X amount of hours getting those shots. Wedding photographers, you're out there, 6, 8, 10, 12 hours in a wedding day? In a wedding, it only happened once. All these photos are on your SD cards should be treated like gold, and you need to protect them. That's why, number one, like I said, hard shell case. Make sure that no water, dust particles, or if you step on it, nothing will happen to it. Number two, when you get home, make sure that you back it up to three places. For me, that's on my local drive, my hard drive in my computer, an external drive, and a NAS, which is here in the office that I can have access to it, just lickety split. And the third part of that is to upload it somewhere, whether that be an offsite backup at your parents' house or grandparents' house, cloud storage. So please take care of your photos. Take care of your SD cards and back them up. So I think that kind of wraps it up for today. Go down below, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification. Bing. Also, follow me on social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all that good stuff. Links are in the description below. Also, once again, friendly reminder, a link to this specific hard case link is in the description as well. All right. I think that wraps it up. Short little video, hopefully, after editing. I tend to ramble a lot. Anyways, see you guys in the next one. Peace.